What recourse does an individual have if they do not wish to take the COVID vaccine, if this is amended as you so deem fit?
Well, contrary to rampant misinformation, this bill is not a vaccine mandate. In fact, it does not require anyone to do anything, and the bill says that they have access to what the federal laws that are in place now.
So you're saying they have federal law. So if I decide that I don't want to get the COVID-19 vaccination, if this is passed, I can go to the federal law and take that up for what? For a release, a disclosure? How does that process work?
You can still request an exemption under a Medical Help, Disability Act, or Religious Act for exemption.
And what's the time frame on something of that nature with the federal government in order to receive that exemption?
No, actually, it's a form that you fill out and you give to your employer, and the employer decides.
And what if they don't accept it and they point to the modifications of the Healthcare Right to Conscience Act as you want to pass them?
The Right of Conscience Act has nothing to do with the federal law of religious exemption.
So we're here in the state of Illinois talking about the state of Illinois, talking about religious exemptions. I don't know how the process would be for the federal level. I look at the Healthcare Right of Conscience for everybody in the state of Illinois, and they're able to say, here it is. This gives me the exemption. Why would I need to go to the federal level? I don't understand that. I think we'd have a better chance of getting struck by lightning in a decent time frame than to hear back from the federal government whenever we have an exemption right here in front of us.
Well, you're not going to the federal government. You're using the federal law. And in the state, we oftentimes use the federal law.
But still, we're here in the state of Illinois. We're in Illinois, and we're talking about religious exemptions in the state of Illinois. But I'll go to the second question. If this is passed as you want it to be, can a school mandate vaccinations for school-age children as amended? Will a school be able to do that? Just mandate vaccinations for children?
This law doesn't affect that one way or the other.
Well, I think it does, because as your amendment reads, it's a violation related to COVID-19 requirements. It reads, line 8, 9, and 10. It is not a violation of this act for any person or public official to institute any mitigations they seem fit. I'll go to the bill. Ladies and gentlemen, this is absolutely atrocious. This is unbelievable that we're considering this on the House floor. This is not about the Healthcare Right of Conscience. This is about the last 18 months of unilateral authority from the governor. Now he's asking us to remove the only opposition. The Inspector General discussed, or the Attorney General discussed, the temporary restraining orders that are ongoing, everything going in the courts. They want to remove this so they can force vaccination on us. I ask for a no vote. Thank you.